I'm from Latvia, Valmieras Vocational Training Center, and I will present the equipment created by my team, for which we created the electrical control from the products sent by Noark.
The idea for the machine came up very spontaneously and almost as a joke, but we accepted the challenge and decided to build an ice cream making machine. Prototyping an ice cream machine was not easy, so we worked in a team of 4 people. The mechanical parts of the ice cream machine that are in contact with the products are made of stainless steel to meet hygiene requirements. Its creation was very interesting and challenging because we gained a lot of experience in creating electrical circuits, soldering and brazing copper pipes, creating a frame, and using a lathe. Of course, we had never participated in creating a ready-made device and learned to plan our work and get the necessary materials. The main objective in this project was the creation of electrical control panel. For the electrical control panel, we used more than 50% of the products sent by Noark. The products that were sent by Noark are very easy to use, as the operation scheme is simply illustrated with symbols on the product itself, and all the necessary information can be found very quickly and without difficulty in the instructions. The device is powered by 3 phases, which are divided. One of the phases feeds the frequency converter, which in this project serves as a speed regulator and a changer for the rotation of the motor. The second phase feeds the compressor and radiator cooling system, which provides coolness down to minus 10 degrees. The third phase feeds the converter from 220 volts AC to 24 volts DC, which feeds all the indicator lamps in this project. Contactors were used in the power circuit to control everything, and a time relay was used to set the cycle duration. When it completes one cycle, it signals the bell. The red lamp with the signal turns on when the motor protection works. The turning movement was provided by a 3-phase motor. From the products sent by Nork, we used 2 contactors, a ground leakage breaker, 2 lamps, a bell, an emergency stop button, a red LED with a buzzer, 24-volt converter, 2 turn switches, a timer, 2 push buttons, electrical box, the LED lamps, and normally closed, normally open switches. We, unfortunately, did not use Noark motor protection circuit breaker because it wasn't powerful enough for the motor we had available.
So for the safety, we decided to take off the belt because it's still a prototype and it isn't safe. After that, we plugged the device in. A control lamp shows that the device has power, the red lamp. When the start button is pressed, a green light turns on. After a time period, the motor switches direction. We can switch on the fan that cools the coils and of course starts the compressor for the cooling. You can switch off and on the belt. Of course, the emergency stop button stops everything. If the motor protection circuit breaker is tripped, the red LED with buzzer triggers.
It was very interesting to make this project. We are very happy for the opportunity Noah gave us, and we have gained lots of new experience and done something we've never done before. Of course, the project is still a prototype, and we have completed it to the point where we can show the principle of operation. It still needs to be improved and worked on its appearance. This project has inspired us, and we will certainly participate in many more projects in the future.